Whee! Up I go!
Wow, fly high, little friend.
This is fun. Watch me soar. It's raining so hard. We have to do something. I know, Neely, but what can we do? Please help. An elephant is carrying my dear friend. Let's fix this hut together, everyone.
I'm on it. We can do this.
I'll help with the vines.
For you, Neely Chidia.
And some clothes, too. Thank you. This is wonderful.
You are welcome here.
Neely Chidia, fly high. I will, Amon. Goodbye. See you soon.